making your home safe should be easy. Introducing Aries, the world's first outdoor auto-tracking security cam that delivers uncompromised functionality at an affordable price. Designed for every place in mind, Aries provides both wireless and wired internet connectivity. Built with industrial-grade materials, Aries can operate in temperature ranging from -40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy videos in stunning clarity and eliminate blind spots with a 360-degree auto-tracking viewing coverage. With its built-in speaker and mic, you can easily tell the delivery man to leave the package at the door. See clearly even in the darkest night with the 4 built-in infrared LEDs. Aries will even scare off intruder with its powerful warning lights and alarm. Use artificial intelligence to distinguish between faces, vehicles, or even your 4-legged friend. Unlock the heat map and path tracking to see the highest human activities. Aries can even spot fire, giving you an extra peace of mind while you're on vacation. It's time to expect more from your security camera. Aries put intelligence into security.